Two dot balls and this is a wide delivery. So the first runs on the scorecard in the form of extras. Well, MDR Avengers, they would surely try to restrict ITCG team below a par score. And what an uneven bounce this is. Going on the back foot, he just wanted to have above the offside region. It's in the air, into the gap for a single. It's 2 runs on the scorecard. That's a good strike, but straight to the fielder. That's a biggie. That's an absolute cloud sixer by Amit Bhai. So first over gone, it's 9 runs. Vinod Bhai to bowl the second over. And Pratik goes above the bowler's head. An absolute cloud sixer on the very first ball. Again a good delivery and very well played. It's an absolute cloud sixer. 2 consecutive sixes. Again inviting the batsman for a big hit. Lucky enough. That's a clean strike. That's a maximum. It's an absolute cloud sixer. Denied by the non-strikers and the score remains on 27. It's in the air, falling short of the field. A dot ball to end the over number 2. It's 27 runs. Ronak. And the ball reflects off the bowler's hand. It's a good strike by Amit Bhai. It's an absolute cloud sixer. The score is 33. Again a good use of the feet. It's in the air, the ball ricochets off the upper net and a single. It's 34 runs. They are rotating the strike very well. And it's an NJ boundary. That's a very good delivery by Ronak to come back. But a single has been taken. And with that, 3 overs comes to an end. It's 39. ITCG game changers are looking very good. 3 overs gone, it's 39. A 39-run partnership between both the openers. And Dhiren Bhai making some field changes. You know it's a power over. And the power over starts with an absolute cloud sixer. Samir Bhai bowling the power over, and once again it's a very beautiful hit. It's an absolute cloud sixer. Two consecutive hits from Pratik. Two biggies on the very first two balls. Working it on the onside. It's a dot ball. It's a no ball. It's a no ball and it will be a free hit. That's a good strike and a chance of a run out. It was a free hit. And lucky enough, Amit Bhai reaches at the crease at the right moment. A good use of the feed. Again, a chance of a run out. Oh, the ball slips out. And once again, the batsman survives. It's a power over. And you cannot pretend to lose a wicket, and it's a maximum. It's an absolute cloud sixer by Pratik. एक second. Okay, the score is 81. 81 runs. A good partnership between Pratik and Amit Bhai. And we can see Jitendra Bhai to bowl the next over. A game-changing over. The power over. The runs have been scored. Round the wicket. And this time he has been clean bowled. A good leg swing. A pure delivery. Taking a wicket here of the set batsman like Amit. 81. 81 for 1. 4.1 overs. And Aryan comes to strike. That's a good hit. It's a sweet connection between the ball and the bat. Absolute cloud sixer. 87 is the score. A good comeback by the bowler. And lot of scenarios on the turf number 2. Oh, we are going to witness the first super over of the tournament in here. It's an absolute cloud sixer. Lots of shores around. This time a play and a miss. Oh, again inviting the batsman. That's the experience which is counting in the middle. Yes, 5 overs gone. It's 93 runs. And we are going to witness the very first super over of ACPL Season 5 on turf number 2. Those who are thinking why there is a lots of shore on turf 2, it's a super over. Palo and RSC are going to play the first super over, and here it's a super shot by ITCG batsman. Absolute cloud sixer. Oh, the ball slips out. It's a wide ball. Down the leg side. The score is 100. Then it's 101. It will be a one more extra run here for ITCG game changers. 102. Oh, the hat tricks of wide. Once again a ball to be rebowled. 4 wide deliveries. This time Aryan connects it. But then sends back Pratik at the non-striker's end. The ball ricochets, and this time it's a clean hit. It's an absolute cloud sixer. Dancing down the track and converting. What a shot! It's an absolute cloud sixer. 116. Down the ground. Very well fielded by Akshay Bhai. Single run. End of the over number 6. It's 117. And now Akshay comes to bowl. The 7th over. 117 is the score. Oh, that's a good reflexes by Aryan, leaving the ball for one more extra run. Lower full toss. Denied. And lucky enough, Pratik reaches at the non-strikers and at the right moment. That's a clean strike. It's a flat-batted shot for absolute cloud sixer. 124. A good comeback by Akshay. But then ITC game changers. They have the score on the scorecard. Whoa! What a rocket shot that is. Absolute cloud sixer. And now Aryan. He seems to be in a hurry. 130 runs. Sir, વાંધો નહીં થઈ જશે. And I think we have missed out, but Pratik, he has completed his half century. 131 is the score, and he connects it very nicely. A single, and Pratik, you are on 51. Good knock, Pratik bhai. 132 after 7 overs. And what a shot again. NJ, boundary. Is known for his leg break deliveries. But this time, down the leg side. One more extra run. 137 in 7.1 overs. Oh, a good try. Can he get a second one? Yes, they get two, and they are converting it into a 3-run. Oh, once again an overthrow. Only 3 runs. But then a good communication by both the batters. 140. Very well left. Once again, and one more extra here for ITCG game changers. Beautiful stroke. Umpires? It's an NJ boundary, Sanket sir? Thank you. Again, just calling for a single as soon as he connected the ball. 146 in 7.4 overs. Well, we were waiting when the batsman will go over, and this time they have connected very well. 147 in 7.5. Lower full toss and into the gap. Absolute sixer to finish the innings from Aryan. And 153 is the score. The target is 154. So yes, welcome back to the second innings. ITCG game changers. They have posted a huge score, and MDR Avengers, well, once again, they need a big score to chase this down. 154 is the target, and Harshad Bhai to face the very first ball. And at the bowling end, we have Sandeep Bhai. Non-strikers end, we have the captain, Jitendra Bhai. A full toss. A single. So the first runs on the scorecard. 153 runs still needed, and what a shot this is. but then the ball ricochets off the upper net into the hands of the Aryan. He just went on to back foot for a big hit, didn't connect it properly. Using his foot very well, he has connected it, and it's an NJ boundary. The first big hit of this run chase. 5 runs in 4 balls. Again a good hit, but then it's a dot ball. That's a short pitch delivery, and it's an NJ boundary. To complete the first over, it's 9 runs without a loss. Well then, MDR Avengers, they need more shots like this. And on the other end, we can see the celebrations in the super over. And see, we have seen the super over, and the Palo team have won that match comfortably. And look at that, Harshad Bhai connects it, and it's an absolute cloud sixer. 15 runs, using his feet very well. But this time, Aryan comes in the charge. A dot ball. Again, a very good shot. A throw by Pratik. Cannot pretend the batsman to cross over for a single. 16 runs in 1.3 overs. .138 needed in 39 balls. Charging down the track. Again, the fielder from long on stops it. Pratik, who just completed his half century in the first innings. What a shot this is. Dragging the ball from the off stump towards the long on region for an absolute cloud sixer. A sensible cricket. Single followed by a sixer. He seems to be in a pain, but sure, he is contributing with the bat. 2 overs gone, it's 23 without a loss. 131 needed in 36 balls. Aryan to bowl. And the very first ball, that's been shown a direction. Absolute cloud sixer on the very first ball itself. The captain leading from the front. 29. That's again a very big hit. 2 consecutive biggies. 35 runs. That's a flat batted shot. 13 runs of the 3 deliveries in the over so far. Inviting the batsman for a big hit. Umpire? Thank you. NJ. It's an NJ boundary. A white ball. 41 runs. That's a clean strike by Harshad Bhai. Absolute cloud sixer. 47 in 2.5 overs. Again a big hit. Again the same result. It's an absolute cloud sixer to end the over number 3. It's 53. 53 runs partnership between both the openers. And it will be a power over. A counter attack here by MDR Avengers. And it's captain to captain. Amit Bhai to bowl the power over. And in the morning we saw Amit Bhai getting a wicket in the power over. It was in the air for a meanwhile. Single on the very first ball. Both the batsmen will surely think to capitalize it. On the back foot, and what a catch this is! What a catch this has been! Tushar Bhai, not with the bat but in the fielding. He is a player to be watched. Wicket in the power over. All the effort going into the vein by the batsman. And Pratik Bhai having a bright smile. Yes, this is a cricket we need to enjoy it, right, Pratik sir? Thank you so much, sir. So finally, the first wicket falls, and it's the captain who has arrived for the wicket here. And it's Dhiren Bhai to join the party in the middle. And surely तुषार भाई सिंह आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से. Once again, the ball ricocheting off the side net. Single. And it will be captain to captain. Oh, what a delivery that was. Two friends against each other. Again, dancing down the track, and what a shot this is. Absolute cloud sixer. We can see some good strokes coming in. And again a biggie. Absolute cloud sixer. So the power over coming to an end. And the final score is 76. 76 runs after 4 overs. Pratik Bhai to bowl. The very first ball is a dot ball. Again, leg spin. 2 dot balls. That's a good stroke by Dhiren Bhai. It's an NJ boundary. 80 runs on the scorecard. 4.3 overs. 74 needed in 21 balls. It's a counter attack on from MDR Avengers. A good use of the feet. Shy at the non-striker's end. This time, bottom edge. And Jitendra Bhai has to walk back. A good catch by Sagar Bhai. It's a dot ball. And with that, over comes to an end. 5 overs gone, it's 81 for the loss of 2 wickets. 73 runs needed in 18 balls. What a clean strike this is by Dhiren Bhai. Absolute cloud sixer. Again he connects it. Oh, the throw at the striker's end by Aryan. MDR Avengers, they are giving a good tough fight. Good use of the feet. A chance of a single run has been taken. 88 runs on for the loss of 2 wickets. Back to the bowler's drive. An easy throw at the striker's end. And Bharat Bhai has to walk back. A good stop in the follow through. And a run out. Playing it into the extra cover region for a single is Akshay. 89 runs is the score. This time a flat batted shot. Again a single. And with that over comes to an end. 6 overs gone. It's 90 runs. And they have lost 3 wickets. Pratik comes to bowl. It's a wide ball. That's back to the bowler's drive, and it's a absolute cloud sixer. 97 is the score. Again chipping it, and the ball ricochets. Overthrow. And 2 runs. Where there was just a single, 2 runs have been conceded. 99 is the score in 6.2 overs. 10 balls, 55 runs needed. Oh, that's an unlucky dismissal. A big turn, and Dhiren Bhai has to walk back. The ball just touching on the leg stump. And what a good ball that was from Pratik. And look at that brotherhood. Well, this is all just needed in a cricket game. 99 for the loss of 4 wickets. Ronak comes in. A good piece of a wicket keeping there by Pratik Bhai. The ball slipped out of his hand, but still a dot ball. Again inviting the batsman for a drive. It's been signaled as a white ball. Way away from the off stump. A top leading edge. On the offside, a single. And with that, 101 runs on the scorecard. Pretty silent moments, but surely MDR Avengers, they need to play out whole of the innings. Single on the last ball, 7 overs gone, it's 102 runs. 4 wickets are down. Tushar Bhai to bowl the last over, the first ball, throw at the striker's end. But till then, Ronak reaches to the crease. 103 with help of this single. Full toss delivery. No ball signaled. It's a free hit. That's a very well stopped in the follow through. A tough chance, but only a single. And a chance, no. It just restricts the batsman for a single. 3 deliveries left. Look at that spirit. Just once again stopping the ball in the follow through. 2 balls left, 108 runs. That's a clean strike by Ronak. It's an absolute cloud sixer. A single. And with that, the match comes to an end. But what a fight we have witnessed. Can we have a round of applause for MDR Avengers and ITC Game Changers? Both the teams playing in the right spirit of the game. And ITCG Game Changers winning by 38 runs.